Welcome to our comparison of the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and BCED26 compact dryers. Today, we will dive into the features that set these two models apart, helping you make an informed decision for your laundry needs. Both dryers are designed for compact living spaces, but they offer different capacities and functionalities. Let's find out which one is the best for you. The BLACK+DECKER BCED37 offers a load volume of 13.2 pounds, making it suitable for larger laundry loads, while the BCED26 has a smaller capacity of 8.8 pounds. This difference means that if you often find yourself doing larger laundry loads, the BCED37 may be the better choice. However, for those with limited space or smaller loads, the BCED26 is a compact alternative. When it comes to drying modes, the BCED37 features 4 options: air dry, cool, warm, and hot. In contrast, the BCED26 offers 5 modes, including an ECO mode and a sensor dry function that adjusts drying time based on moisture levels. This makes the BCED26 more versatile and energy efficient, which is a significant advantage for users looking to save on electricity costs. In terms of pricing, the BCED37 is priced at $369, while the BCED26 is more affordable at $309. This price difference reflects the larger capacity and drying power of the BCED37. However, if budget is a primary concern, the BCED26 offers excellent value for its features, making it a great choice for those who need a compact dryer without breaking the bank. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and BCED26 compact dryers have their unique strengths. The BCED37 is ideal for those needing a larger capacity and powerful drying, while the BCED26 is perfect for compact spaces and energy efficiency. Consider your laundry habits and available space before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.